Group work activity. The target proficiency level is beginning. This is a mock class. The topic we're talking about feelings and emotions. And this class would take about 45 minutes. On the description of the activities, at the end of this activity, the students will identify and recognize feelings and emotions. Students will be able to express their feelings and emotions. Students will identify feelings and emotions as adjectives. Students will be able to use their new vocabulary words in a sentence. To first, we'll work together as a whole class for about 15 minutes. Then I will divide the class into groups of 4 for another 15 minutes. Next, I will make groups of 2, so I make sure everyone is participating. And at the end, we will have a little review and a closure of the class. The expectations are going to be explained to the students, expectations, rules, and participations. And I will have the students to participate in pairs so I can make sure that everyone's working and everyone's learning. And at the same time, they can help each other. Okay, this is lesson 12, describing feelings and emotions. The activities for this lesson is feelings and emotions, using the verb be with feelings and emotions as adjectives, contrast simple present and present continuous tenses. Objectives. By the end of the lesson, students will identify and recognize feelings and emotions. Students will be able to understand and express their feelings and emotions. Students will use personal pronouns with new vocabulary. Students will use their new vocabulary in a sentence. Students will contrast simple present and present continuous tenses. We will start the class with an eye-opener discussion question. It's a discussion question that talks about how do people express their feelings and emotions. Students can relate these to their background knowledge, even from their own culture, because we all express our feelings and emotions in our own way. Students will also work on a graphic organizer. Once they're done with the graphic organizer, some volunteers will share with the rest of the class. Vocabulary preview. Happy, sad, hungry, thirsty, hot, cold, tired, sick, angry, nervous, scared, embarrassed. Now repeat after me. Happy, sad, hungry, thirsty, hot, cold, tired, sick, angry, nervous, scared, embarrassed. So now we're going to use the personal pronouns with motions and feelings. On this exercise, students answer using the personal pronoun combined with one of their spelling words. So remember, we have worked on this before. For example, I call on a name and that person answers with the first person in the simple present. Next, I will call on another person and that person will answer depending on the subject or noun and so forth. So let's do some practice. Let's begin. Repeat after me, please. Hungry, hungry, hungry. Who is hungry? I am hungry. Who is hungry? I am hungry. Anna is happy. Anna is happy. Who is happy? She is happy. Who is happy? She is happy. Nestor is thirsty. Nestor is thirsty. Who is thirsty? He is thirsty. Who is thirsty? He is thirsty. Kathy and Helen are embarrassed. Kathy and Helen are embarrassed. Who is embarrassed? They are embarrassed. Who is embarrassed? They are embarrassed. Irene and I are nervous. Irene and I are nervous. Who is nervous? You are nervous. Who is nervous? You are nervous. You and I are cold. You and I are cold. Who is cold? We are cold. Who is cold? We are cold. So now we're going to use the progressive form for the next exercise. So I'm going to tell you the words and then you answer me. Sick, sick, sick. How are you feeling? I'm feeling sick. How are you feeling? I'm feeling sick. How is Sam feeling? He's feeling sick. How is Amanda feeling? She's feeling sick. How are Sylvia and Ernesto feeling? They're feeling sick. Cold, cold, cold. How are you feeling? I'm feeling cold. How are you feeling? I'm feeling cold. How is Rita feeling? She's feeling cold. How is Henry feeling? He's feeling cold. Hot, hot, hot. How are you feeling? I'm feeling hot. How is Anna feeling? She's feeling hot. Tired, tired, tired. How are you feeling? I'm feeling tired. How are Lucas and Luis feeling? They're feeling tired. How are all of you feeling? We're feeling tired. On the next exercise, we'll do single slab substitution. On this exercise, I will give a sentence, I will say a sentence and give you a cue word, and you're going to substitute the cue word on the proper place. We have done this before, so you're already familiar with this exercise. Let me just give you an example. In this case, the teacher is going to do the practice. So teacher says, you are happy. Then I give you the cue word sad, and you're going to put you are sad. Ready? Let's do some practice. So the teacher says, she's hungry, thirsty. Student answers, she's thirsty. Teacher says, they're hot, cold. Student, they're cold. We're angry, nervous. We're nervous. Teacher, he's sick, tired. Student, he's tired. Teacher, we're embarrassed, nervous. Student, we're nervous. Teacher, I am scared, angry. Student, I am angry. Okay, on the next exercise is the transformation drill. In this exercise, again, I will give you an affirmative sentence and you will change that sentence into a negative sentence, and you're going to substitute the cue word on the right place. For example, I would say you're sick, then I give you the cue word tired. No, I am not. I am tired. Okay, so that's the way you're going to answer. Ready? So Anna is angry, nervous. No, she's not. She's nervous. Peter's sad, scared. No, he's not. He's scared. Kathy is hungry, cold. No, she's not. She's cold. Ted and Paul are hot, embarrassed. No, they're not. They're embarrassed. We are nervous. thirsty. No, we're not. We're thirsty. The dog is hot, happy. No, it is not. It is happy. On the next exercise, you're going to answer, tell me why. For example, number one, it says, gives you the words cry, crying. Why are you crying? I'm crying because I'm sad. I always cry when I'm sad. We have a second example with smile, smiling. A, why is she smiling? B, she's smiling because she's happy. She always smiles when she's happy. And this is basically the handouts that I would give you the next 3 pages. We'll go over it later. And you're gonna work with a partner so you can help each other. If you feel comfortable working on your own, that's fine with me. So this is the first page of the handouts uh, for the comprehension of the vocabulary. This page is a continuation of the prior exercise. All you have to do is just fill in the blanks, same as the 2 exercises on the page before. This is the last page of our lesson number 12. With this, we conclude the lesson. Let's go ahead and review the words. As I said, this is the last page. So go ahead and repeat after me. Angry, cold, embarrassed, happy, hot, hungry, nervous, sad, scared, sick, thirsty, tired. So number one is done for you. It says Howard is crying. He's sad. So the answer is sad. That's why he's crying. Number two, it says Helen is yawning. So you're going to fill in from number 2 all the way to number 12. So go ahead. You can work with a partner if you like to. And we conclude the lesson with this last page. Thank you, guys.